lot closer than we were last time. Because it's cold. Wow, we are really a lot closer than last time. We are really closer than last time. It's alright. It's not going to get you. There it goes. It's dropping eggs. There you go. Hi. Hello. To the outside. I don't think that's what they're intending. Oh, that's a mess. That is a mess. All the kids are not. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Fix it. We shot a lot more eggs than we did last time.
It's a spot for kids.
I don't know if that's the guy flying the helicopter or just the second guy. I can't see. I was trying to get a good shot of that. I feel like. No, never mind, it's two guys. I can see it.
The eggs are going in the street.
There's a pilot, and then there's the guy that's going to Yeah, see, that's what I was worried about, is them leaving eggs as trash out here in this community. Man, it's a lot of plastic. Thinks of this. What do you think of this? Is it exciting? Saying hi?
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, helicopter.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, helicopter.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. She can't possibly wave any more than she is already waving. Bye-bye. Nah, they can't get those eggs. That's not your age group.
No, that's not yours, baby. Those are not your eggs, baby. You got
That's not your
already.
age group.
Bye-bye.
She is really wanting that helicopter to know that she is saying bye.
Bye-bye.
Look at the desperation in her face.
Bye.
I love that
Bye.
helicopter. Can't get enough of that helicopter.
Bye-bye.
Said if that guy in that helicopter wasn't 60 years old, I'd marry that guy. And the motorcycle just scared the bejesus out of her. Hey, you ready to go home?
You ready to go bye-night? Ready to go bye-bye?
You wanna go bye-bye?
Night-night.
We're looking at that motorcycle. I know you don't like motorcycles.
Let's watch the motorcycle.